Hey Polar Bears, welcome back.
In this month's episode of The Roar,
we thought about how much effort everyone puts into cooking Thanksgiving meals.
And thought we'd try it ourselves, but with a twist.
watch us try and make pumpkin pies.
With only the ingredients.
No instructions.
And no cheating.
Are you guys ready? Where to begin? We got hot water, we got some. All right, I'm just gonna start cracking this boy open, man. I know I need pumpkin for pumpkin pie, right? Does that make sense?
Are you sure you don't want the pumpkin icing?
No, the pumpkin
I feel like it's a little
icing.
easier to get
exactly.
into. I am not a chef or a baker by any means.
You're a PR student, yeah.
Yep.
We got pumpkin. We're set. This is actually all we need. I don't think we actually need anything else for the base. I'm just gonna put this on straight up. We're just gonna have the person eat that. How's that sound?
It sounds a little bitter.
Pumpkin! Well, I'm just gonna make like a full serving and then, cause like I just know this is gonna be really slap. So what's your favorite thing you've ever made, Ashley, in your entire life? What is your favorite pumpkin design?
I don't like pumpkin. I'm just
Okay,
gonna
that's a
measure
lot
with
of
my
pumpkin for
heart.
this one.
Measure with my heart.
All right, butter, egg. This is so bad, all right. Look at this absolutely tasteful design right there. We got an egg, butter, and pumpkin. Flex on them, bro, here we go. But there's one thing I'm missing. We can't just do straight pumpkin, man. I need to add some sugar.
Some sugar.
Sugar! I feel like the
I feel
one,
like
like,
this is
you
a lot
know,
of
guy
sugar.
who like makes those like meats and like that kind of stuff, you know, does the little, let's see. We
this
got
so
some whipping cream. I don't know what spices are, man. Yeah, yours looks way better than mine, low-key. That looks so bad.
Add some liquids in there. You're
No,
gonna need,
man,
because
it's gonna be so
when
starchy,
we put
man.
it in the thing, it's gonna like
You're right,
dry
I'm gonna steal
up.
some of this from you, man.
Okay.
What is this?
Sweetened condensed milk.
Condensed milk. It smells bad. This is so disgusting, bro. I just only just took a pee in this container, bro. That's nasty.
Thank you for the visual, Matt.
Oh my gosh, this is so bad, dude. It doesn't even look like pumpkin pie. This is like looks like a carrot cake mixture, bro. This doesn't even look like pumpkin pie, man. Cause like it needs to be browner. I don't know what they do to make it brown now.
You put it in the oven.
Oh, I like that smell of that. That has to have more of that. There we go. It smells good, so it has to be in there. We'll try some condensed milk in there. Oh, this is starting to look like pumpkin pie now. Here we go. I'm feeling it now.
I mean, I don't think it could hurt to like put molasses in there.
I don't even know what molasses is just like.
It's like sweet, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. It kind of looks like you go in the pumpkin.
That does not
What does it
smell good.
It smells like it's like fermented, bro. I don't even know what even fermented
Maybe
means. but
I'll
it
like
smells
leave
like that.
out.
Listen,
Okay.
pumpkin needs something to rise. So I'm gonna borrow some of that water and put the yeast in there because I know it needs to rise a little bit. Oh my gosh! Oh no! I spilled the yeast! No!
Not the yeast.
This is all should be boiling. But...
You gotta let it sit, Matt.
I know, like, if like I were on, you know, Gordon Ramsay's like shows, bro, he would be like, "Get out of my kitchen, Matt! You suck!" or something like that. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
He would totally be trashing me right now because I am messing this up. I feel like I'm wasting my time right now. I don't even know why you even do yeast, bro. I thought that was just for bread. I'm kind of scared to put this in my thing. I think it's gonna mess it up.
Oh my god, that's like a
can't find it.
projectile spraying thing. That is intense. Okay.
Oh, jeez, I'm spilling it. I was trying to look and see what it was at and it spilled. Ah. Oh my gosh, are you getting ready to cook it?
Yeah. Keep up, Matt.
There's some cinnamon and nutmeg. Nutmeg smelled like it went with it. Arguing with myself, man. It's like, do I put in ginger? Do I not put in ginger? Do I put in ginger?
Now we wait. I don't know how long this should be in here, so we're gonna
Just
check
play by
that.
ear.
How many spices are you putting in there?
I have cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and sugar.
You don't want to put like cloves or cumin in there?
No, I know cumin is good there, bro. I put that on like curry, bro. Okay, well maybe we'll. Here we go. Oh, whoa, whoa, that was close. These are such cute little pie crust containers. Hello. Oh yeah. Look at that crispy golden edge right there.
Okay. Okay.
Here we go. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that smells delectable. Woo, we did it, yeah. Pumpkin pie extraordinaires. Including Gordon Ramsay, a pumpkin pie. Oh! All right, yeah, let's try that again. We did it. Hey.
Now you're staying firmly on the table.
Yeah, that's smart probably. All right. This is Whitney from Milk and Honey Company. Ooh. Based out of Ada. Actually though, or like?
No, actually. Okay, wait, which one? I feel like I should start with this one first. Okay. Alright, so presentation-wise, I'm gonna give this one like a 7 out of 10, I think. Because it most of the way functions, and it looks golden. Of course, like the burns, but that's okay. We'll just... Okay, this filling is super good. You never made pumpkin pie before?
No, I've never made pie, period.
Well then, I definitely think you did great. I can taste the brown sugar in it,
Okay.
which is so good. I think you have the right amount of, did you use eggs?
I did. I used
Yeah.
like 1 egg.
You can definitely tell.
Okay.
The only thing I'd say is it's missing definitely some spices. I only
Okay.
can taste like berries or... That's like my one.
Okay.
You did
Okay.
great there, good job.
Amazing.
Yeah, Ashley! Woo!
Alright, moving on to maths. I'm kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie. Presentation-wise, I would give this one, I don't know, I think probably a 6 because the icing's super like rough on it. You didn't like, you know when people put icing on things, they make it look like smooth.
My icing fell on the table, bro. What do you want me to do? Oh well, fine, whatever.
But the crust stayed all the way around in
Yeah.
a perfect circle.
That's
so
good.
actually, I can make it. That was good. Yours actually held up even better. It's not even roasty at all on the inside, so that's good. So execution-wise, you're looking good so far. I'm gonna try this thing. Okay, there's like a weird flavor. I think it's from like the I'm sorry.
Was I supposed to use yeast, man? Like, oh no! I thought I needed yeast. I like to sprinkle it because I thought you just need a little yeast to make it rise. You know, it's like balloons. You know. Oh well. Go Bears.
But like, it's good. It's just like it doesn't taste like what you would expect.
Yeah.
From the yeast, you know.
Yeah, it looks like I took an L. Oh, no, I took an L this week. Oh.
Let's see, overall score. I have to give it, yours probably a 7.
It's okay. Still a passing. Still a passing.
I'm like,
Yeah, I just have to try it, man. I didn't even try my own thing. I have to taste the yeast, bro. I don't know what yeast tastes like, bro.
okay, Matt, I'm gonna give you a 6.5.
No, that's fine. No respect, no respect.
Not last. Not last.
Oh my gosh. Dang it. I like this though, bro. I give myself a 10 out of 10.
Hey Bears,
We hope you enjoyed Thanksgiving break.
and spending time with your loved ones.
As a reminder, residence halls will be closing November 19th at 7 p.m.
And reopening Sunday the 28th at 8 a.m.
Also, check out the Southside Apartments lip sync battle.
in the Bear Cave on December 3rd from 8 to 10 p.m.
Here at The Roar, we're thankful for you.
Feel free to share in the comments what you're thankful for.
We'd love for you to send your favorite videos of campus life
Or your favorite TikToks.
To theroar@onu.edu.
For a chance to be featured in the next episode.
We hope you enjoyed this episode of The Roar.
Don't forget to like this video.
Subscribe if you haven't already.
and share this video with your friends.
Thanks for watching.
Stay spicy, Bears.